So my name is Starr. I'm Senior Vice President for Dynamic Energy with Business Development, and I'm the project developer on this project. This is a remote net metered 2.5 megawatt project in New York State, the energy for which benefits Hobart and William Smith colleges, and this is a project which Dynamic owns. It was originally conceived by Dynamic and offered to the colleges as a way to meet their sustainability goals and to contribute to their climate and carbon emission goals. And we were able ultimately to build two projects, each at about 2.5 megawatts, totaling for the colleges almost 5.5 megawatts of clean solar electricity via two sites that are pretty close to campus. So the colleges really have benefited from this project and love this, number one, for their strong sustainability commitment. They see themselves not just with strong sustainability goals, but really as leaders in the educational field in terms of environmental commitment. And so they were recently named to one of the top 50 green schools list, and this is just one of many projects that they've done that evidence to their commitment. So the project produces upwards of 7 million kilowatt hours per year, so it's a significant portion of the college's use. And in addition to meeting those climate and environmental goals, there's also six-figure savings in electricity expenses with both arrays. So together, these two arrays at 5.5 megawatts represent one of the largest educational solar projects in the country, and certainly one of the top 5 or so projects in the state of New York. So really a fun project that we looked at many sites for, and wound up with these two sites, and we're able to put in good systems which have been operating for over a year now pretty much flawlessly. So Dynamic Energy is a national turnkey solar developer and EPC, engineer, procurement, and construction company, and we really pride ourselves in the market on bringing best-in-class expertise to each one of our projects. And for us, that doesn't mean, any color as long as it's black. It means we're going to build a value-producing project for you. Sometimes that's accomplished by a technical perspective, like our great partnership with CPS and best-in-class inverter technology, and sometimes it's more about arranging the project commercially. But ultimately, with our very strong experience and track record in finance, in engineering, in accounting, in the technical side of things, we're able to bring really great projects to market. I think what's best about our relationship with CPS is that we've obviously grown through some of the key markets in the US like New Jersey, Massachusetts, and here in New York. And we've been able to scale together and really have good partnerships even as we move into newer markets. And as an owner of projects like these, obviously we care about the performance and the long-term performance. So when we selected equipment for this, we had quite a track record with Chint Power Systems, and it was an easy choice for us to use Chint's product on our own project. We're familiar with the product. We find it offers an incredibly fast and convenient install, and we think the support we get from Chint is just stellar. When we often talk to our clients who are going to own projects like these, we tell them what we care about, which is we care about long-term performance, we care about uptime, we ultimately care about the inverters almost being invisible and doing their job so well that you can forget about them. Not to mention working with a company that's extremely bankable, has a great reputation in the market, and always has cutting-edge inverter technology available for us. So one of the things we're excited about is Chint continues to evolve its projects. We've done a lot of projects using Chint products, from 1 megawatt rooftops, where we were at 36 kWs on the inverter, to projects large ground mounted up to 5 megawatts like this one using 50/60. So we're certainly excited about the new product line with Chint, the 100 and 125s. Now as we move into larger systems and larger markets, those new products are going to allow us to install ultimately half the equipment, allowing for a faster install and a lower total cost of installation. These things are important to us and to our customers, so we're loving the Chint products.